Okay, you guys, if you're not excited about the live PLC in a box workshop, I would encourage you to get excited. All right, so here is what you're going to produce. So here is tomorrow's workshop parts. Already got some work in advance. This is actually a previous version that I built. And here we go. It's already connected. This is the serial port to program it. This one don't need to be programmed. It's already programmed. And so anyways, here's power. Okay. All right. System is off. Then I switch on to off mode. When that happens, nothing else happens. If I go back here and I start it, system is on, system is off, on, off. Right, this one actually enables another capability, right? And so this position is the one that prevents, like a master control reset, prevents from anything happening. So again, power, right? On, off, blue, or jog if you want. Now, when I switch over, this is a master control which takes over the whole thing. Nothing else happened but master control reset, right? And so anyhow, this is a version. We're doing a larger box just because I figured that this box had some issues, difficulties putting the controller in. So this time we're gonna do a different one, and I wanted to give you just a heads up what's happening. Excited about tomorrow. We're gonna broadcast this live in YouTube. See you then. Don't miss it. Bye-bye.